Ready for a card that rewards you for saving and investing? Applying for the SoFi Credit Card is a quick process within the app you likely already use. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open the SoFi app and navigate to the Credit Card section. Tap Apply Now. You'll fill out the application with your personal, financial, and employment information. SoFi will perform a hard credit pull. If approved, you'll get a digital card number to use immediately online, and a physical card will arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. My crucial pro tip: you need a SoFi membership first. To even apply, you must have an eligible SoFi product, like a checking and savings account. Make sure your main SoFi account is active and in good standing before starting the credit card application. Complete your SoFi financial ecosystem with a powerful rewards card. What attracts you most to the SoFi Credit Card? The flat 2% back or the redemption options? For more clear financial guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.